Greetings CM2 and welcome to lesson 24. Our theme is still I'm going to go by car. And it is unit 12 in our student books and workbooks. Okay, everyone please repeat. I'm going to go by car. I'm going to go by car. Okay, very good. Today, we are going to turn to page 79 in our student books, and that is listening part, page 79. Here, it looks like this in our books, okay? Our SBs. Okay, let's go through it. Okay, please look at the kinds of transportations. So we have 3 forms of transportation, and you have to answer, are they in your city? Okay, so we have things like A, streetcar, B, electric scooter, C, cable car. Okay, please answer if these things are in your city. Do you have an electric scooter? Do you have a cable car? And do you have a streetcar? Okay, so what you will do is you are going to put the correct letter of the transportation. Okay, so you just look at it. Okay, and then we go to number 2. You're going to go to your online book, look at unit 12 and go to the listening part, and you have to match the places and the information. Okay, so number 1 we have Toronto, Canada. 2, Paris, France. 3, Medellin, Colombia. 4, La Paz, Bolivia. Okay, then you, after listening, you have to choose the right answer. A, first new cable cars. B, 1,000 more electric scooters. C, longest and highest cable car in the world. D, uses streetcars. So match the letter to the correct number. Okay, so it's just listening. You have to listen. Number 3, listen again, and then you have to answer true or false. Okay, so I'm just going to read them out because we have time for the video. And the lesson is not very long in terms of the video, but writing, you're going to write quite a bit. Okay, 3, listen again, true or false. Number 1, 50 years ago, there were no streetcars in any North American city. Is that true or is it false? Okay, so once again, the listening will tell you if the answer is right or wrong. 2, you can rent an electric scooter in Paris by sending a text message. Is it true or is it false? Number 3, many Latin American cities are building electric car systems. True or false? Number 4, Medellin, Colombia is the highest capital city in the world. True or false? Okay, and then the last one will be listening plus. But before you listen, you can just quickly read and try to guess the right answer. Okay, and then guess it and then listen and then fill in the right answer. Okay, let's go through the numbers and the sentences, and don't choose all sentences, only choose one that is correct and after listening. Okay, number 1, when were the first streetcars in North American cities? A, the 18th century. B, the 19th century. C, the 20th century. Okay, so you choose only one answer. Okay, number 2, when did most US cities stop using streetcars? A, between the 1920s and the 1930s. B, between the 1930s and the 1950s. C, between the 1960s and the 1980s. Okay, so which one is correct? A, B, or C? Okay. So, and then 3, why are electric streetcars good? A, because they're cheaper. B, because they cleaner. C, because they faster. Okay, so which is the correct answer? A, B, or C? Number 4, how much is the city of Toronto going to spend on a few streetcars? A, $1 million US, B, 100 million US, or C, $1 billion US. Okay, so you choose the correct answer, A, B, or C. And the listening portion ends there. Lesson 24. Then we are going to go to our workbooks. Okay, we're going to go to our workbooks. Page 70. Okay, workbooks. This book, and we turn to page 70. Page 70. Okay. Oh, it's taking forever to open. Okay, found it. Page 70. Looks like this with the lady that is graduating. Okay, so we will do number 4 and number 5. And in number 4, complete the conversation using the words in the boxes. We have Hannah and we have Debbie. The first one is already filled in. Hannah says, "What are you going to do this summer?" And then Debbie will answer. Choose what would Debbie's answer be. Okay, and then number 5, you read the conversation again and you complete the questions and answers with short answers and use the correct way of saying going to and personal pronouns, she, he. Okay, all right, let's look at number 5 in our workbooks, page 70. Number 1. Okay, let's look at the example, A and B. A, is Debbie going to look for a job this summer? B, yes, she is. Okay, is, are, choose the correct way. Okay, and that is finished. It wasn't a long lesson, and I will see you in the next lesson, which is lesson 25. Good job. And you can go to LMS, find your video, play your videos, and get started. Okay, and go to the assignment board to find your homework. And then email me the homework. If you have any questions, please, as usual, send me a message on LMS. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.